Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start a new topic that is angles. What is an angle? An angle is made by two rays or you can say two line segments that start at same point. Here there are two rays and both these rays are starting from this point. So the point where these two rays are meeting, this is called, they are forming an angle. Okay, an angle is made by two rays that start at same point. If I take line segments, then see, this is A, this is O, and this is B. Fine. This is line segment OA and this is line segment OB, and they are meeting at this point. So they are forming angle here. Okay. So an angle is made by two rays or two line segments that start at same point. The common endpoint of two line segments or two rays is called vertex of an angle. So what is the vertex in this angle? This is the common endpoint of two line segment in OA and OB. O is common. So this point is the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex of an angle, and in this also this is the vertex of an angle. So what is vertex? Vertex is the common endpoint of two rays or two line segments. And the rays that form an angle are called arms of the angle. See, these two rays are forming the angle. So these are the arms of the angle. So OB, this is the arm, and OA, this is also the arm of the angle. Here an angle is formed, fine, where two rays meet. So angle is formed, and the point, the common end point of two rays is called the vertex of an angle. And the symbol of an angle is this. Okay, this is the symbol of an angle. And see, the rays OA, the ray OA and OB form an angle at O. They are forming an angle at O. So we call the angle at O as angle AOB. Okay, we will call the angle as AOB, or we can write it as angle BOA. We can start from here also, we can start from here also. Okay, the angle can be angle BOA or AOB, but O should be in center. Okay, we will take O in the middle of A and B because the angle is formed at O. Fine. The ray OA and OB are forming an angle at O. So O will come in the middle of B and A. So we call the angle at O as angle AOB or angle BOA. Next comes kinds of angles. First is right angle. What is a right angle? An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is called a right angle. Okay, the angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Here x, y, z is a right angle. At 3 o'clock, the hands of a clock make a right angle. ठीक है, जब 3 बजते हैं तो जो हमारी हैंड्स हैं क्लॉक की वो कौन सा एंगल बनाती हैं? राइट एंगल. मेजर इज एग्जैक्ट 90 degree. Okay, so the angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Second is acute angle. What is an acute angle? An angle whose measure lies between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay, the angle whose measure lie between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. That means its measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. जो हमारे एक्यूट एंगल्स हैं उनका मेज़र जो होता है वो 0 से तो बड़े होते हैं वो, और 90 से क्या होते हैं? छोटे होते हैं. दैट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 0 degree बट लेस देन 90 degree. Here I have taken an angle of measure 70 degree. So this is an acute angle because its measure is less than 90 degree. So this is an acute angle. Fine. So what is an acute angle? An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? An angle whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Okay, the angle whose measure lie between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Means these angles are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, the angles whose measure are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. See, this angle 110 degree. This is an obtuse angle because its measure is greater than 90 degree. Fine. Next comes straight angle. What is a straight angle? An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay. So here DEF is a straight angle because its measure is 180 degree. This straight angle. Okay. Then an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Next comes using a protector. How to use a protector? You might have seen this instrument in your geometry box, and this instrument is called a protector. Okay, this is called a protector, and a protector can be used to draw an angle of given measurement, or it is used to measure an angle. Fine. This protector can be used to draw an angle of given measurement, and it can be used to measure an angle also. There are two scales on the protector. You can see from this instrument that there are two scales on this. The lower scale 0 degree to 180 degree. This lower scale 0 degree to 180 degree. This increases anti-clockwise. ये क्या है? Increase हो रहा है anti-clockwise. If we move anti-clockwise, this lower scale is increasing. Here is 0, here is 10, 20, 30. So this is increasing anti-clockwise. And the upper scale, this is increasing clockwise. 0, 10, 20, 30, like this. This is increasing clockwise, and the lower scale, this is increasing anti-clockwise. If we have to measure these two angles with the help of protector, then how we will measure it? See, we will place the baseline of the protector over the arm OX. Okay, we will place the baseline of the protector over the arm OX of angle YOX. You can see this is a protector and this is the baseline of the protector. You can see this line. This is the baseline of the protector and this is the center of the protector. ये क्या है? Protector का center है. We will place this center of the protector on the vertex O. ओके हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो प्रोटेक्टर का सेंटर है इसे वर्टेक्स ओ के ऊपर रखेंगे और जो ये लाइन है उस लाइन को हम इस लाइन के ऊपर, इस आर्म ओ एक्स के ऊपर रखेंगे. लाइक दिस वी विल प्लेस द प्रोटेक्टर. ओके, सेंटर at vertex O and the baseline of the protector on the arm OX. Okay, now we note the mark through which the arm YO passes. Okay, the arm YO passes through this point and this point is 50 degree. So measure of this angle is 50 degree. And if we have to measure this angle, then how we will measure it? We will place the baseline of the protector on the arm OX and the center of the protector on the vertex O. Like this we will place the protector. See, on arm OX we place the baseline of the protector and on vertex of the angle we place the center of the protector. This is the center of protector and on the vertex of the angle we place the center and note the mark through which other arm OY passes, and you can check that this passes through 50 degree. So the measure of this angle is also 50 degree. And you have to remember one thing, that when we draw an angle on the right side of the line, segment or ray, then we use the upper scale. Okay, to measure the angle we use the upper scale when the angle is on the right hand side, and when the angle is on the left hand side then we use the lower scale. When the angle is on the right hand side we use the upper scale, and when the angle is on the left hand side we use the lower scale. The reason is, see, the 0 point is here Okay, see the baseline of the protector and the arm of the angle. We place the baseline of the protector on the arm of the angle, okay, and the 0 point starts from here. So here in this we will move anti-clockwise, and if the angle is here, अगर यहाँ पर है तो हमारा 0 point जो है वो यहाँ पर आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो हम कौन सा स्टार्ट करेंगे, अपर स्केल. If we have to draw an angle using protector, then how we draw? Suppose we have to draw an angle of measure 70 degree using protector, then what we will do, see. So first of all, draw a ray OA. Okay, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक रे ड्रॉ करेंगे OA. Now place the protector with its center on O and its baseline over OA. हम अपने प्रोटेक्टर को कैसे प्लेस करेंगे, उसका सेंटर तो आना चाहिए O पर और उसकी बेसलाइन जो है वो OA पर आएगी. Like this we will place the protector, center on O and baseline on the arm OA, like this. Now we have to draw an angle of 70 degree. There are two scales on this protector, and which scale we will use? See, the 0 point is on this arm, so we will use upper scale. Okay, we start from 0 always, and here is the 0 point, so here we will use upper scale. And as we have to draw an angle of measure 70 degree, and here is 70 degree, this point. Okay, so we will mark a point here and then join this point with vertex O. You can see baseline of the protector on the arm OA and center of the protector on the vertex O, and here is 70 degree. So join this point with vertex O and name this point as B. So angle AOB is of measure 70 degree. Okay. And if I have to draw an angle of 50 degree on this side, then how I will draw? See, I'll place the baseline of the protector on this arm OB and center of the protector on this vertex O. Like this we will place the protector, the baseline of the protector on the arm OB and center of the protector on the vertex O. Now which scale we will use to draw an angle of 50 degree? As there are two scales, most of the students do this mistake. They don't know how to use the protector. We start from 0. This is the 0 point. Okay, 0 point is on the arm OB. So which scale we will use? We will use lower scale in this. Okay, when I draw the angle on this side, I use the upper scale because the 0 point is on the upper scale here. But in this case, when I place the baseline of the protector on the arm OB, the 0 point is on the lower scale. Okay, 0 point हमारा कहाँ आ रहा है, लोअर स्केल पे आ रहा है, तो हम कौन सा स्केल यूज़ करेंगे, लोअर स्केल यूज़ करेंगे. And we have to draw 50 degree, and here is 50 degree. So mark a point here and join this point with the vertex O. So the measure of this angle is 50 degree. So this way we draw the angles using protector.